grabe. Busog na busog ako nung Pasko. Feeling ko I gained weight nung Noche Buena eh. Kaya New Year's resolution ko is to eat healthier this 2015. Dapat ata healthy ang ihanda sa medianoche.
Feeling ko, kasi ako rin eh, parang hindi na magkasya yung chef's jacket ko sa akin eh. Alam mo, we can try something different, something healthy. Alam ko na, we can cook yung ating pan-fried fish with chunky marinara.
Wow, pangalan pa lang, healthy na.
Diba? Pero okay lang ba, we can use your Technogas kitchen? Baka naman ma-overuse ko yung Technogas mo.
That will never happen to Technogas because it has safety valve that ensures a safe cooking environment. Tapos, pinaprevent pa nun yung gas leakage, kaya siguradong safe.
Uy, so, tara na?
Let's go!
Okay, o yan, ready na yung ingredients natin for our pan-fried fish with chunky marinara.
Okay.
So, for the ingredients, simple lang to. Some fish fillet. Next, kailangan natin dito ng dried oregano. Mamaya lalagyan natin siya ng salt and pepper to taste. And then I also have here some all-purpose flour. Now, ipa-fry natin yan using our olive oil. For the sauce, we'll be needing chopped garlic, chopped onions. I have here some dried basil, and then some tomato sauce. Now, to make it more chunky, of course, I have here some zucchini. Para mas lalong chunky, I have here some celery, some black olives, and then later on, lalagyan natin siya ng red wine. So, to start, eto, para naman maiba, ikaw naman pagsisisonin ko ng ating fish. O yan, yan na yung fish natin. Season natin siya with a little bit salt and ground black pepper. Tapos, after mo siyang i-season, lagay na natin siya dito sa flour. So, bago mo siya i-pan-fry, palagi, shake off yung excess na flour. Yan, mainit na yung pan natin.
Okay.
Tapos, slowly place it there. So, ako naman, doon sa pan ko, lalagyan ko na siya ng konting oil. And then, mag-start na tayo mag-gisa. Unahin muna natin yung onions. Tapos, isosotayin lang natin siya hanggang sa maging transparent siya kagaya niyan. Lagyan na natin yung ating garlic. Wow! As I've said always, kailangan pag sinosotay yung garlic, kailangan hanggang sa mag-whiten lang siya. Pag nasotay na yan, sama na rin natin yung ating celery. Yan, that will make it nice and chunky. Okay, yung fish natin, flip natin siya. Pag medyo nakikita mo yung sides, mag-start na siya mag-brown maya-maya ng konti. That means, pwede na natin siyang i-flip. Okay, let's put in our zucchini. Okay, and then, lagyan na rin natin siya ng konting herbs. Mainly, our basil. Tapos kung may natira ka pang konting oregano, let's put in some oregano. After that, pagka-mix natin dito, okay, let's put in our tomato sauce. Or any type of sauce naman na tomato-based, pwede. Wow! Oh, Miss May, kita mo na yung sides ng ating fish? Nag-start na ba siya mag-brown?
Yes.
Okay, so flip this one. Flip it, kabilang side naman. Wow, ang galing ha! Meanwhile, yung sauce natin, this is almost done. Bago yun, gagawin natin, since we Filipinos gusto natin may konting hint ng tamis, lagyan natin ng konting white sugar. Season mo na rin siya with a little bit of salt and pepper. What I'm gonna do next is, to make it more flavorful, I'm gonna add in a little bit of red wine. Yan. So, let me transfer your fish on a plate na may paper tissue para i-absorb yung excess oil. Now, malapit na mag-reduce yung ating sauce. So, pwede natin ilagay yung ating black olives. Pwede rin ng green olives if you want. So, mas gusto ko yung black kasi red yung sauce natin, tapos may konting green, tapos may konting black.
Parang Technogas lang, red and black.
Di ba? Very Italian. Etong sauce natin, is-simmer natin siya hanggang sa mag-reduce lang siya ng konti. And then, pag-reduce na siya, pwede natin siyang itap dito sa ating fish. Actually, ginawa ko, kinat ko na yung fish natin.
Alam mo ba, Chef, hilig ko talaga ang pagluluto.
Oh?
Though, wala talaga akong ganong skills, pero dahil nga ako bumili ng Technogas eh.
When you're using Technogas, you're using quality. So, definitely, kung hindi ka masyadong marunong magluto, mag-i-enjoy ka magluto nito kasi it's really easy to use.
At paunti-unti, matututo ka rin magluto.
Definitely. So, our sauce is done. And then, we're gonna simply scoop some of our marinara, chunky marinara sauce on top of our pan-fried fish. Now, all we have to do is to garnish it with some of our chopped parsley on top. So, here it is, our pan-fried fish with chunky marinara. You wanna taste it?
Yes, of course.
Here. So, how was it?
Healthy yung dish, pero masarap pa rin yung lasa. Thanks, Chef. May bago na naman ako natutunan.
Of course, nagawa natin yan with the help of our Technogas.
And remember, Technogas is not just an appliance.
It's also your cooking partner. So, let's cook ulit?
Tara!
Go!